In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check traffic on Semrush. If you want a quick, reliable snapshot of how much visibility a website is getting, Semrush's domain overview is one of the fastest ways to do it. We'll walk through getting to the right place, entering a domain, and understanding the key traffic numbers you'll see on the results page. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look for organic, paid, and branded traffic, plus how that traffic is distributed by country. Start by logging into your Semrush account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand panel. Hover over the section labeled SEO, it's the one with the small search icon, and choose Domain Overview from the options that appear. This takes you to a page with a prominent search field at the top. In that field, type the website you want to analyze. You can use your own site or a competitor's. For best results, enter the root domain, like example.com, rather than a specific URL. You can decide whether you want to look at data for a specific country or get a worldwide view. Use the country selector next to the search field to switch between a regional focus and global data. When you're ready, click search, and Semrush will load the overview for that domain. Give the page a moment to populate, then scroll down slightly to find the traffic sections. Here's what you'll see. Organic traffic is the estimated number of visits coming from unpaid search results. This reflects how well the site is ranking for keywords without advertising. Paid traffic shows visits generated through paid search ads, which is useful for gauging how much traffic might be driven by campaigns rather than organic rankings. Branded traffic is a slice of organic traffic that comes from searches, including the brand's name or close variations, giving you a sense of brand awareness versus discovery through non-branded keywords. Just below or alongside these metrics, you'll also find traffic distribution by country. This breakdown shows where the site's visitors are coming from geographically. It's especially helpful if you're targeting specific markets or comparing performance across regions. If you picked worldwide earlier, this section highlights which countries contribute the most traffic. If you selected a single country, it focuses on that market. Remember, Semrush provides estimates based on its data sources, so use these numbers directionally. They're excellent for benchmarking, spotting trends, and comparing one site to another. That's it. Log in, head to Domain Overview, enter a domain, choose your region, search and review organic, paid, branded traffic, plus country distribution. You now know exactly where to find the traffic insights you need in Semrush.